Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this silver glitter smoky eye with this brown liner. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And as always guys, we have monthly giveaways, so if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is currently US only. So first thing I did was I primed my eyelids with my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and then for today's palette, I'm jumping right into it. It is the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy Friendcation Palette, and first thing that I'm doing is going into the cool toned brown eyeshadow, and I'm just blending this into my crease, just following the natural curve of my crease and just laying this down as my transition color. Next, I'm grabbing this angled brush and I'm just picking up this dark brown color, and I'm just going to start to add some definition and depth onto that outer corner. So I'm just going to be drawing this line right above my natural crease. Like I mentioned in previous videos, I like to draw my crease a little bit higher than my natural crease because I want to give myself some excess lid space. So if you have hooded eyes or you have a very small lid space, you can always draw that crease slightly above where your natural crease is, just to give yourself a little bit more room to work with. And then I just grabbed the lighter brown color and I'm just using this with my small tapered brush to blend that line out and just make a nice gradient. And I will leave every single shade that I used in this tutorial down below in the description box, and I'll also try to link everything that I can find in the description box as well. So yeah, I'm just pretty much going in left and right motions over top of that line, and me personally, when I'm working with darker shades, I like to just blend over top of where I apply it. I don't like to bring it too high. I like to keep my depth as low as possible. Next, I'm grabbing my angled brush by Anastasia and I'm just picking up my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm just kind of carving my lid and also setting my lid. And then I grabbed some translucent powder and this small brush from the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill collection, and I'm just setting that concealer in place. That way all the shades that we apply over top of it are not going to move, they're not going to budge. And then I'm going into this light champagne shade in the Desi X Katy palette, and I'm just applying this all over my lid. And honestly, this step is definitely not necessary because the glitter that we applied over top of this kind of covered it right up. So I definitely didn't really have any direction when it came to this tutorial, and I feel like I made a few mistakes. And at one point I actually hated this look while I was filming it, but I loved the end result. So if you're in the middle of doing a look and you absolutely hate it, just know that you can always turn it around. So I'm just applying that light brown shade and I just buffed that onto that outer corner. And then I grabbed this angled brush and this Venus glitter by Shop Violet Voss, and I thought that I was just going to leave it in my crease like this, but then I realized that I wanted glitter all over the lid. So I went ahead and I grabbed my glitter glue and I applied it all over my lid, and then I followed it with the Shop Violet Voss Venus glitter, and I just kind of grabbed my brush and with whatever was left over, I tried to blend it into that outer corner. So definitely just use whatever's left over just to kind of get a gradient effect on the lid. And then I grabbed this liner by Dose of Colors called Extra Baggage, and it's one of my favorite liners right now. I think I've said this in a previous video, but I love brown liner with brown eyes. For some reason, it just makes brown eyes pop that much more. And then for lashes, I applied my Shop Sophie Bella Bali lashes. If you guys want to check those out, the link will always be in the description box down below. And then I just picked up my Urban Decay Double Life eyeliner and I just applied that into my waterline. And then I grabbed the light brown transition shade that we applied in our crease and I'm just buffing that onto my lower lash line. And then I just grabbed my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm and I just coated my lower lashes and I love the length that this mascara gives my lower lashes. And then I just grabbed my Pixie Beauty Subtle Sunrise Highlight and I just popped that onto my inner corner. And the very last thing that I'm doing for this look, I just grabbed my spoolie and I wet it and I ran it through some bar soap. And then I'm running it through my brow, and this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. As always, please leave all of your recommendations and suggestions in the comment section down below. And yeah, if you watched to the very end of this video, thank you so much. We totally are super grateful for all of the support that we've gotten recently. I feel like we've gotten so many new subscribers, so if you're watching this, thank you so much. And yeah, well, I'll definitely see you guys tomorrow. We're really working towards doing daily uploads, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!